Alright, hi guys, welcome back to our video again. So today is another day. So what we have to do is we order some parts and then we have to remove this, which is very tough. We gotta utilize the longer breaker bar that we have instead of the standard wrench that we're using. We are back with the bigger breaker bar because this bolt is really hard to take up. It's connected to the frame. Finally, we took this out. This is the slider bracket because we bought a new slider that comes with a new bracket, so we decided to take this out. We will put back the screw for the time being because it's an engine bolt until the new one arrives, and then we will replace it. Okay, there are a lot of rough edges here and there because probably the previous owner dropped the bar, skipped the bar or whatsoever. We have no idea, so we try to salvage this part by grinding it smooth. So this is the best that we can do for the moment. At least it's now flat, it's not sharp. Probably we need more fine sanding around here to smoothen it out. So this is the best ability that we can sand off. At least we lighten the scratch mark. You'll still see a bit of a stain here, but it's better than nothing. Okay, so to protect, then we try to now we try to sand and smoothen it. Okay, so this is the best ability. At least now it's smooth, it's not sharp. Okay, and then the black line is gone, and then there's still a little bit here. So we use some Scotch-Brite to sort of like clean the pipe, but apparently isn't enough. So we're gonna use this to scrub off the remaining. It will be a very long process. I can see it's scrubbing off. So it's a lot of elbow grease, we'll see how. Okay, after hours of scrubbing and grinding, sanding, so this is the end result. It's not perfect, but it's much better than before. So at least it's more or less 80-90% rust free. We also wash the radiator. There's a lot of gravel that's stuck inside just now, so we brush it out, and then we just wait for it to dry before we start polishing all the stainless steel pipe. Okay, so now we got the oil, the whole rust system, and then give it a heat cycle. Okay, so now we will proceed to remove the airbox and then take out the spark plug, check the air filter before we call it a day, and then of course remove all this wear off parts. So there's one more screw directly in the middle. We can't really see, you have to feel it. Okay, for the airbox to be opened up. Okay, so this is the original air filter, which we have to change it. Okay, we see some oil here. We gotta remove this and give it a clean up. In order to remove this airbox, there's a few screws that is hold it into the throttle body, so you have to loosen it. Okay, that's the function of this hole here. Okay, after loosening it from the throttle body, you can actually move it out. Okay, something like that. Okay, we gotta replace this sponge also, it's tearing. Okay, so we took out the airbox. You can see that the sponge is breaking apart, so we probably gotta find something to replace it and wash it. We will inspect the throttle body, okay, and clean up this dusty area. Okay, because we know we will put this bike here for quite some time, so we cover up all the air inlet, so prevent from anything from going in. So next we will take out the coil and check the plugs. Okay, so now we need to remove the plug from the coil. Okay, and then this is rubber booted, so all you need to do is just slowly, don't break it, twist it out. Okay, so finally we pull it out. Okay, and then now we got to insert the spark plug remover to remove the spark plug. So we will drop this in, and then followed by the extender and the ratchet. So it's an anti-clockwise motion, it shouldn't be too hard, and you should be able to release it by hand. So we got it out, and then do the measurement again. Okay, so we took out the spark plug. It's a lithium spark plug, which is a high quality spark plug, and then we follow the spec is between 0.7, 0.8. So 0.75 pass through, 0.8 it doesn't, so it's still within specs. Then we gotta repeat this process for the next 3 coil and plug. Okay, we are trying to take out the bar and it's stuck. Okay, you can see it's scratched here, so we bought a new one to replace. This is the rubber stopper. Oh, it's corroded. No wonder. Cool. We'll do it on the other side. Ooh. Now, okay, we'll wait for all the parts to arrive before we start assembling it. And then we might send the bike to a workshop to do the timer chain because the space is too small and it's too tough. So we'll see how. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.